Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this food warmer try that this brand sent to me for the video. And I say try it, and it's actually tray. But this one, it's really big. It's actually really big. It's 32 inches, and it goes up to 284 Fahrenheit. So that's actually really cool because you can put plates, you can put glass, you can put ceramic, you can put metal if you also want. So if you want to keep food warm, for example, if you're going out of work or something like that, and something is waiting to coming for dinner or something like that, you can put it there and to warm up the food. You can have the low, the off, and the high. And actually this one is already high. It's in the low right now, so I put a plate over there. I'm gonna show it to you on a close-up in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that this one works really good. It is quite large, 32 inches again, and up to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take a closer look. Well, I think someone is trying to grab that chicken, right? Okay, so I put this plate over here so you can see how big this thing is. This is kind of like for a big family gathering, you know, a big reunion or something like that. It's not going to be one of those like silicone ones, flexible ones. This one is for a lot of people. You can see again how big this one is. That one single plate right there, you can put what, like 15, 10 of those? I don't know. Plenty of things. And remember, you can put glass, you can put ceramic, you can put many other ones. I do like that comes with the handles right here. So whenever it's ready, if you want, you can just turn them off. And you can just turn it off and take it with you on the go to. If you want to go to another place or something like that with the tray, you can actually do it. And right now you have the low, off, like this, off, and high. And this one is going to tell you whenever it reaches that temp, which again is going to be the 284 degrees. So I like this one. Very versatile, convenient to have for big gatherings or something like that. Quick to use as well, and also easy to wash. Plug it, select your mode, and you're all set.